Today you are going to be making Acyclovir 0.5% Lip Balm. One of the first steps to complete is you need to weigh all of your applicators and record the weights of them while they are empty. First thing you want to do is go ahead and weigh out all of the materials needed for this lab. And once you go ahead and weigh out all of your materials, you are going to go ahead and add your base and your shea butter into a beaker. And once that is added in, you are going to put that on the hot plate on a very low setting. And then you are going to place your stir bar into the beaker and then turn on that setting of the hot plate. And now you just wait for it to melt. And so once your mixture has melted of the shea butter and the base, you are going to go ahead and add your base G almond oil. And then you are just going to let that stir for just a few seconds. And then you will add your lactose or your acyclovir to your mixture. And you're going to do this by using a sifter to make sure you break up the bigger particles. And now you can go ahead and choose your flavoring while that mixes. And today we used peppermint extract. So you're going to grab a 1 milliliter syringe from your kit, and then you are going to place your 1 milliliter syringe into the bottle and draw up just a small amount, enough to make sure you have a few drops to put into your beaker. And then you can go ahead and put the few drops into your beaker. And then after you add all of your drops, you are just going to let that mix for a little bit and make sure everything is all mixed in together. And after you've noticed that it's all been mixed, you will go ahead and turn off your hot plate. And then you will go ahead and remove your beaker from the hot plate and take out the stir bar. And then you will add your mixture into your applicators. And you will fill up your applicators all the way to the top. And then you just need to let those dry. And once you realize that those are dry, you're going to go ahead and put the caps back onto the applicators, and then you are going to weigh them and record the weights for all applicators. After weighing all of the full applicators, you will then need to subtract the weight of the empty applicators to get the weight of the compound itself. You are going to find the average weight of them and then take note of that. And the goal here for the quality control test is to be within 10% of the weight that it should be, which in this example it should be 5 grams. So you need to be between 10% of that. So you need to have 4.5 grams or 5.5 grams. And then once you've completed all this, you should also do a visual test, and it should be a smooth, white, homologous mixture. And then you should have your finished product.